upper body rolling pattern. For this movement, we want to make sure we're lying on our back and we're nice and relaxed. Arms are straight up overhead. The idea of this is to start wringing out from the top of the head, getting flexion and rotation of that neck or that cervical spine, leading the charge at the top and then down the chain. We want to make sure we're not pushing through the legs. This is all generated from the top of the body, really working on some of the fundamental, the basic or our rudimentary movement pattern of rolling when we were younger. Since then, we might be blocked up and things aren't functioning, firing appropriately or in sync. So here what we're doing is we're trying to reteach that flex, rotate, looking over here as if I'm trying to smell my armpit and look to the corner. And I'm reaching across, driving across with my arm here, relaxing my lower bodies as if I can't even feel my legs here. And then rolling onto my stomach nice and gently. And then the extension upper body pattern here for the rolling is I'm bringing that right arm up, or that outside arm up, and I'm looking over my right shoulder, trying to look the back corner there as if someone's over there. I'm trying to take a look. And rolling onto the back. Again, not pushing through the legs. So flexion here, sniff my armpit, rotating my head, and I'm getting that rotation through my cervical spine here, all the way through my thoracic spine, and then my body rolls over. And then my extension, looking over the right side, reaching back, and I'm just supporting myself here. My arm is just, I'm lying on my arm here. I'm not pushing through my right leg, reaching. These guys are relaxed, and then onto my back. And then you're going to do that for the prescribed amount of times, and be really honest with yourself and really focus on everything working one segment after the next, rotating around for the flexion and then rotating and extending around for that extension pattern.